Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my Hobonichi weeks, getting it ready for work next week. And this week I am using one of the newest collections coming to my shop on Friday, November 11th. It is the Pine Trees collection. So I feel like this is a good transition from fall to Christmas because I would so decorate for Christmas right now. Just wait for my next few weeks. But this Pine Trees collection comes with this deco sheet. So it's got 3 watercolor pine trees on there. Some I've added little tiny ornaments to, but they're not so obvious. And then you've got the pine tree circles, which I like as deco. The pine tree swatches, which I love using for headers or just as a different type box. And then the pine trees quote and washi. So 3 smaller pine trees, and then you've got the washi as well as the quote. So let's get started. So I'm going to use possibly my Pilot Prera, my Pelican, or my Sailor Pro Gear Slim. But I think what I'm going to do for the days of the week on the side is rotate. What's the word I'm trying to say? Alternate between at least the Pelican and the Pilot Prera. So this is currently inked with Ferris Wheel Press Spruce County Post, and this one, the Pilot Prera, is inked with Ferris Wheel Press. What is this one inked with? It is Oyster Hour. I always forget that one. And so far, I am loving using these two. So then I will draw a line down the middle. And this is clearly not the middle. This is the line where this is meetings, this is my to-do list. So what I'm actually going to do is take my, so put to-do up here. Oh, if I can write, and then take this so I don't smudge. Meetings. And then take these. I love these. These are my paint swatches, and I feel like they add color without needing to have the exact Tombow Duo brush pen or whatever it is. And I love the way that they look in the watercolor. So then, gosh, of course, when I want to talk for the day is when my voice starts to go, although I do sound better than I did a couple of weeks ago. So making sure I'm still in frame. So what do I want? I'm going to take this tree, and these trees were really fun to make. I think they're just so pretty, but also a great, I want to say, lead into the winter season, because it is already, say, winter here in Canada. So I'm taking some grid washi as well. This washi is from, I believe it's Washi Tape Shop. And I have it in basically all the grids, all the colors. Then I'm going to place maybe a bigger circle down here with, I like the good things come in trees as a play on the good things come in threes. Yes, I know I'm corny. Most of the quotes that I try and put in my collections are corny. Like, not even, like maybe dad joke funny. I don't know. I get something out of that. Okay. Good things come in trees. So then I want to put something else up there. I think maybe this one up here with this washi. And then I do actually want to put one of these across, but I know I'm not going to use the whole thing, so I'm going to grab Here we go. I always find the story of this so funny because I didn't know if I was going to get through the airport security with this, and I did. It was in my carry-on bag, and it totally got through security because it looks like a pen. And then placing this just here. Oh, I love that. Simple, but really pretty. And I mean, the rest of it is quite simple, but I like it like that. I'm going to keep it like that, and I'm going to go ahead and write in my meetings. So there is my overall finished spread. I really like it. It's still a bit fall, but heading into the colors of winter. And I love using these pens like Pilot Prera and this with the cursive italic nib. Love it, but this is satisfying. So satisfying. I could just do that all day. Anyway, but that is it for me. So these stickers will be available in my shop on Friday, November 11th at 9 a.m. Mountain Time. And you guys can use the word November 15 for 15% off my shop that weekend. All right, if you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.